Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another What's for Dinner / Cook With Me video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all 3 programs on my channel, and I will also link you to any recipes, so that way if you're not following WW, you can get the nutritional facts there. In today's video, I'm going to be making a Hungry Girl recipe, which I don't think I've ever made any Hungry Girl recipes before. My friend Deb sent me this recipe and it looked so delicious. It's Hungry Girl Chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole. So let me show you how we make this. This recipe, like I said, it's a Hungry Girl recipe, and the points on this are 6 points for blue and purple and 8 points for green. So this is one of the kits that I put together. If you're new, I do my own DIY meal kits when I do Sunday meal prep. So this kit, I already have the ingredients already measured out. That way when I go to make it, it's super easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is get everything out of my kit. Okay, so I have my oven preheated to 375. So in this first container, I have 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and that's all just mixed together. So now I'm going to take a bowl, and then in here I have 1/3 cup of cream cheese, and I'm using the 1/3 less fat cream cheese, and also 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. So we're going to just put that in the bowl and mix it up until it's all mixed nice and smooth. Once it's all smooth and creamy, now I'm going to take this container. This container is 2 tablespoons of Parmesan, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. So we're going to mix that up. So the breadcrumb mixture, actually I didn't even need to open. This is actually going to go on the top of it after it bakes. Now we're going to add the chicken and the ham. So in here I have 2 ounces of low sodium ham that I've chopped up real small. And this brand is called Plum Roast. It's the Plum Roast brand. So just dump that in there. And like I said, that's 2 ounces of that. And also 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast that is cut into little bite-sized pieces. So I already did that when I did my meal prep. So this is why these dinner kits are so awesome, because everything's already done for me, weighed out, measured out, and it's super easy cleanup too. So now just mix that until the chicken is all coated. So now I'm going to set these aside. So these are going to get topped on it after it's done baking. In here I have 4 slices of reduced fat Swiss cheese and then my breadcrumb mixture. So I'm going to set those aside. Those will get topped on it when it's done. Alright, now I'm going to take an 8 by 8 inch baking dish, and I've sprayed it with cooking spray, and then just dump the chicken mixture right in there. Make sure you don't leave any of the ooey gooey goodness, because it's got cream cheese in there, and you all know cheese of any kind is life to me. Alright, then just spread that out nice and even. Now I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil. And I forgot to say in the beginning, this makes enough for 4 servings. Alright, now this is going to go in the 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. So it says to take it out after the 20 minutes or when it's bubbly. So let's see what it looks like. I guess, yeah, it is bubbly down in there. It's still got 10 more minutes to cook, so I think it'll be fine. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna take the cheese and just put that over the top. And then the breadcrumb mixture goes over the top of that. Now, one thing that she doesn't say, which I usually do, is just spray the tops a little bit with some cooking spray. I just use some olive oil spray. And that's going back in the oven for 10 minutes or until the breadcrumbs are golden brown. This time you don't need the foil. So I'm going to be pairing mine with some Brussels sprouts. I'm just going to use these Brussels sprouts that I get from Aldi. They're just frozen. You put them in the microwave and steam them. And then I'm going to be topping these with one slice, with a Velveeta slice for 1 point. All right, it is done and it looks delicious. So that looks so good. So I'm going to let that sit for a minute and settle and get the vegetables on our plates. All right, now I'm going to try and just divide it into 4. And that is what my plate looks like. Well, we gotta get the rest of this chicken that I dropped. Oh my gosh, that's really good. I love it. Oh yeah, that's good. Y'all have to try this. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, I'll have the recipe listed down in the description box below. And thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm planning us healthy.
Yeah, this is really good. This has got to be out in 90 once a month.
Oh yeah, that's good.